Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Ourlink smart plug. Got this from Walmart, it's pretty good. So all you got to do is plug it into the wall and then press on this button and it starts flashing like that. You want to do it one more time, press it for like 5 seconds or so. And then it goes back to this sort of red orangey color. And what you want to do then is go over here to your smartphone and you want to find this thing where it says Smart Life. Okay, it says Smart Life. You press on that. Okay, once you're connected to Smart Life, you go and you go to the Smart Life app here. You have to download that from the from the iStore or whatever. If you are on Android, doesn't really matter. You can just download it off there. And once you have that set up, you'll go into here where it says Socket Wi-Fi. You'll press that. This will show up over here. And it will ask you to go back to your regular network, which I will do off camera, obviously, because for safety reasons, you don't want to show everybody your Wi-Fi. All right. There we go. Finally got in. And I apologize for the long wait, but I have terrible network. Yep. And then you will go back to the regular screen and you will press on connect. All right, so one of the cool things about this, and after you press connect, you're going to see this thing and it takes a while. But one of the things that annoys me about this smart plug system is, come on, focus over here. Is that it's hard to see now because it went off. Okay, now it's finally focusing again. When you put two of them next to each other, these things are a little bit too wide, so there's still a little bit of space. It's supposed to be nice and even and flush, so I shouldn't be able to put my nail in there, which could damage your socket, I think, over time. So that's not cool. You probably should only put one at a time. Anyway, we're back here to the thing, and once you get here, you can press on this button here to change the name of your smart plug. I'm going to call this fan smart plug. Fan smart plug. Cool. And save it. And done. Okay. Now, when you press this button, you can turn it on. And notice that unlike some of the other plugs, when you turn it on, it turns red. And when you turn it off, come on, focus. All right, so it says it's off now. It turns green. So it's a little bit different. Usually it's the other way around, but remember that on equals red, or orange is red, and off will be green. All right, hope this helps you guys set up your Ourlink smart plug, and I'll see you in the next video.